Hello, YouTube. There, I said it. I said it, didn't I? I said it. I said it. I said it. Just a very quick vlog to tell you of a few things that's on my mind. And tomorrow, I will be meeting a few people from YouTube. Mokang Extreme, China Ice, a few other people. And it's going to be tomorrow. I have to leave the house at 7 o'clock in the morning. I want to be early. I don't want to be late. I hate being late. Even though we're going to be meeting at 11 o'clock, I want to leave very early. Who knows? There might be traffic, stuff like that. So there you go. You can expect a lot of videos from the people going there to be popping up on YouTube this week. I currently have a cough and cold, which just came upon me so magically the other day. It's pissing me off because I have a lot of work to do. So tomorrow I will be spreading the real Comicero virus. It's real cough. Okay, real cough. Apologies to those who have tagged me, to those who requested me to contribute videos for them. I won't be able to accommodate you because I still have to finish something today. And then when I come back, I'm going to continue doing it because I have a Saturday deadline. So I'm going to be pretty up to here with work. I'll be working on Timawa. And I know at least one Timawa fan out there. You know who you are, from South Korea. And I have to say sorry to you because there is no Timawa for the month of March, for the April issue. But there's going to be 2 more installments on May and June. Laksan mo pa! Sige! Laksan mo pa! It's going to be more installments, 2 more installments, May and June. And those will be the last installments of Timawa, unfortunately. I did not expect the comic series to be ended by the magazine so soon. I had planned on something like 8 more installments, but the magazine recently had a reformat, and they won't be bringing Timawa along with it, unfortunately. So there are 2 more installments. And for anyone out there who has been following Timawa, other than, I strongly suggest that you would get the June issue, which will be available May, because that's going to be 4 pages and it will be the last, and it's going to be kick-ass. I'm going to make sure it does, because it's going to be the last, and that's my last hurrah. So Timawa is available through The Buzz magazine, which is available basically all over the world through your local Filipino store. If you see a magazine there, it's written The Buzz magazine, B-U-Z-Z. More likely than not, it will have my comics in it. So remember, the June issue of The Buzz magazine, you have to get it. You have to get it. It will drive you crazy. It will drive you insane. It will be the most. It will be the one comic book story that has the most lines in it, and the most colors, and the most. Okay, so until the next video, YouTube, goodbye.